I hope you're doing well. I wanted to come on really quickly just to share with you this new wig I purchased. You guys have probably seen advertisements for it. Sorry, this is my backdrop in the background. I wanted to do this in front of natural light so you guys could kind of see what it looks like. But in any event, you guys have probably seen reviews for the Luvme wig on various social media platforms, and they have all these like unsolicited reviews of their product, and I was just interested to try it, wanted to see what it looked like, and so I purchased one of their units. So this is it. This is a curly bob wig, and sorry, all right, this is a curly bob wig, and this is a lace frontal wig. If I were to repurchase this, I will probably get the lace front rather than the lace frontal. So for those of you who are new to like wig technology and terms, a lace frontal is where you have like a certain amount of the front of the wig that has lace on it, and then the rest of it is regular wig construction. Whereas a lace front, the entire front of the wig, and if it's 360, all around the perimeter of the wig, and even the center of the wig has that lace. For a more natural look, you have more styling flexibility, things like that. So I am not a part of the melted lace ministry. So I just pulled this wig back a little bit, and I pulled a little bit of my hair out, and that's how I am wearing it. And I absolutely love it. Like I said, this is the curl of the wig. It is a bob style. It has a looser curl, and I like it. It is different from some of the other curly wigs I've tried, because this is definitely a looser curl, but very, very nice. So to curl the hair or to style the hair, today all I did was apply water, and then I used Melly Organics products. So I used the Brazilian curl cream, and then I followed that up with her styling gel. So you could use just regular, products you have at home to style the product, and it's very nice. The curls are very pretty. The quality of the hair is decent. I would say it is not as nice as the Amazon wig I did reviews of for you guys. I love the hair on that wig. This hair just, I don't know, it feels different, and yeah, it just feels different. That aside, it is great. It is great hair. It's just, I don't know, I feel like it's duller than the other hair is. And I think I like curlier hair overall. So that part I think is just a matter of preference for you. But I do think that this wig is definitely worth like the money. This is cute. This is very cute. So I hope that you guys found this video to be helpful. If you try the Luvme wig, do let me know. I'm interested in knowing your perception of the wig, and I will share the other bob wig I got. That one is a straight bob, so I'm a little nervous about that one, so we'll see. All right, I hope you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.